Steam smarter, shine faster. Upgrade your clean today. Add the less C2 to cart and make every room, surface, and ride look new. Dial the perfect flow with 6 adjustable levels and responsive touch controls. Gentle for upholstery, powerful for tile, grout, glass, and stainless. Ready in 15 seconds. Blasting up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit at 3 bar to loosen grease, lift grime, and sanitize. No harsh chemicals. Clean longer with the 1.25-liter tank, ergonomic handle, and flexible 6.6-foot hose. Convenient inlet and drain make filling and maintenance quick. 16 purpose-built accessories reach crevices, grout lines, upholstery, windows, and car interiors. Tackle ovens, sinks, seats, and carpets for satisfying before and after results. Stubborn stains, grease, and germs don't stand a chance. WSR YYCC Lest C2 delivers 1,500 watts of chemical-free steam for a deeper, safer clean.